Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Michelle Campbell, and today what we're going to do is I'm going to take you through some stretches and things that you can do sitting at a desk. So I'm actually sitting at my desk right now at the office, and I'm just going to take you through a few stretches to start. So the first thing is to stretch these upper back muscles. So what I want you to think is, first of all, a string is at the top of your head and pulling you straight up. You need to be in a nice upright position to do these stretches. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to tuck your chin to your chest, slightly hold the back of your head, and just do a gentle pull. You should feel a stretch down the back of your neck and even into the shoulder blades, depending on how tight you are. You can hold that stretch for about 30 seconds or so, and then the next one you can do is to stretch more of the side of the neck. So what I like to do is I just have my hand here on the side of the desk to just kind of anchor me, and I'm going to take my hand and gently pull to the opposite side. So what's going to happen here is I'm going to feel a nice stretch into the side of my neck, and this gravity, just holding this, is going to just give it a little bit more of a pull to kind of pull closer to the shoulder or the clavicle, to get the whole side of the muscle. Again, you can hold that for 30 seconds, and we can do the opposite side again, grabbing here and gently pulling to the side. So I can feel it actually into my arm and my neck, just doing a nice stretch in there. It should never be painful to do a stretch. It should just feel like a stretch. The other thing I'm going to talk about is posture in terms of your shoulders. So a lot of us are like this on the computer doing our thing, and we want to try to bring our shoulders down and back. What that's going to do is take some of the pressure off of the front, as well as prevent that head coming forward so much. So if we're feeling that we've been sitting too long and we're doing that work and that's kind of creeping up, just think, bring them all the way up and all the way back down, and trying to think your shoulder blades going down and back. And the last thing that I want to talk about is to stretch the front of the chest while you're seated. So I'm just going to push back here a little bit so you can see a bit better, but I'm just going to start with my thumbs up, and I'm going to rotate them out and back. And that feels like such a huge stretch in my chest. And you can actually bring your hands out and even bring them back. And now not only do I feel a stretch in my chest, but also in my forearms. I can also bring it up higher and get a different part of the muscle, or bring it lower and I get another part of the muscle. This is a really great, easy thing to do while you're seated at your desk. So you can add that in when you're in those long days trying to get all the reports and everything done, just to take some of the pressure off your neck, upper back, and shoulders. And always remember, the best thing to do is just try to get up and move. If you can try to get up and move every 20 to 30 minutes, it'll really take a lot of stress off of your spine. So I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of your day, and take care.